Have you ever seen an anime character get beaten down, left with nothing, and still stand back up? No matter how hard things get, they refuse to quit. That's resilience. And you need it too. Think about Naruto. Everyone doubted him, yet he never stopped chasing his dream. Tanjiro lost everything but kept fighting. Asta had no magic but refused to give up. What makes them special? They don't let failure stop them. And that's what we're talking about today. How can you build resilience like your favorite anime characters and change your life? Life isn't easy. You'll face challenges, failures, and moments where you feel like giving up. But remember this, you are the main character of your story. And just like in anime, the real test is whether you get back up. Look at Rock Lee from Naruto. He had no natural talent, but he trained harder than anyone. When he fell, he got up stronger. That's how you win in life. Or take Eren Yeager. His world was destroyed, but he didn't let pain break him. He used it to push forward. That's the mindset you need. So, how do you build resilience? See failure as training. Every setback is a lesson. Goku didn't become strong in one day. He lost, he trained, and he came back stronger. If you fail, don't quit. Level up. Refuse to quit like Asta. People told him he was weak, but he worked harder than anyone. If you don't stop trying, you can't lose. Find your purpose like Edward Elric. Why do you want to succeed? When things get tough, your reason will keep you going. Every great anime hero starts as the underdog. The only difference between them and those who fail, they keep going. So ask yourself, will you stay down, or will you rise up like the hero of your own story? Life won't give you success. You have to fight for it. Train your mind, stay strong, and no matter what happens, never give up. Because just like in anime, the greatest victories come after the hardest battles.